Welcome back, grade one. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. In the last four lessons, we have learned three new strategies to subtract. And today we are going to learn a new strategy to subtract to grade one. Are you ready, grade one? Let's start it. So, our lesson today is make 10 to subtract. Interesting. So, please, grade 1, open your book, page number 307. We have a nice picture here. It's a peach and a coconut tree. Do you love coconut tree, grade 1? It's so delicious, right? So, listen the story, grade 1. There are 13 coconuts on the island. Here they are. 7 of the coconuts roll into the ocean. How many coconuts are left on the island? What do you think, grade 1? Let's apply the new strategy together, grade 1. So, again, there are 13 coconuts on the island. How many coconuts went in the ocean? Yes, excellent. There are 7 coconuts. Now, the first step is to take apart 7. The first step is to take apart 7. Now, how many more than 10 is 13? How many more than 10 is 13? Yes, of course, 3 more. Excellent, grade 1. So, please, grade 1, trace the 3 in the first box, like this. Now, if we take away 3 parts of 7, how many are left? What do you think, in grade 1? Yes, of course, it's 4. So, please, grade 1, trace the 4 in the second box, just like this. Now, the second step is to make 10. Trace the 10 in the third box, like this. Now, which part of 7 should be taken away from 13 so that 10 is left? What do you think, 3 or 4? Yes, of course, it's a 3. So, we will trace the 3 on the line, just like this. And we will cross out 3 coconuts. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Now, how many parts of 7 do we still need to take away? We take away 3, and now we have to take away 4. Excellent, grade 1. So, how will we write a subtraction number sentence to finish solving the problem? Now we have 10 coconuts and we have to take away 4. So the subtraction sentence is 10 minus 4 equals 6. Excellent, grade 1. So interesting. Now we will cross out 4 coconuts and we have 6 coconuts left on the island. Amazing. Now let's solve another example, grade 1, page number 308. To subtract, first take apart a number to make it 10. Then subtract. Let's apply the strategy again in this problem. Let's see, we have 16 minus 9. So what do you think, grade 1? Which number will we take apart, 16 or 9? Always we will take apart the smallest number. Now let's see 16. How many more than 10 is 16? Did you say 6? Yes, of course. It's 6 more. Now, if we take away 6 parts of 9, how many are left? So 9 minus 6 equals 3, right? Excellent, grade 1. So we will take apart number 9, 2, 6 in the first box and 3 in the second box. Now the second step is to make 10. So which part of 9 should be taken away from 16 so that 10 is left? What do you think? 3 or 6? Yes, of course, it's 6. So 16 minus 6 equals 10. Now, write a subtraction number sentence to finish solving the problem. As you see now, we have 10 minus, the other part is 3. So, 10 minus 3 equals 7. Excellent, grade 1. So, this is the final answer. So, 16 minus 9 equals 7. Did you get it, grade 1? I think yes. So now, please, grade 1, let's solve the next two questions. Again, take apart the number to make it 10. Then subtract. Let's see question number 1. We have 12 minus 7. And we have to take apart number 7. Let's see number 12. How many more than 10 is 12? What do you think, grade 1? Yes, of course, it's 2 more. So we will take apart number 7 to 2 and another number. Now, if we take away 2 parts of 7, how many are left? 5 parts will be left. So now the second step is to make it 10. Now it's 12 minus the first part to get 10. So 12 minus 2 equals 10. Now we have 10. And the next step is to subtract the other part of 7. Now we have only 10 rather than 12. So 10 minus 5, the other part or the left part of 7. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. Interesting. So please, grade 1, be sure to write this answer on your book and to try to solve the question number 2 by yourself. Stop the video and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The final answer is 9. Now, let's see the next page. We have more questions here. Amazing. Let's start with question number 6. Page number 309. And try to solve the question number 3, 4, and 5 by yourself, grade 1. You can do it. You are so smart. Let's see question number 6. We have 14 minus 7. Let's make a 10 to subtract. We will take apart number 7 to 2 parts. Let's see what are these 2 parts. Look at the first number, which is 14. How many more than 10 is 14? Yes, it's 4. Simply, it's 4. So, if we take away 4 parts of 7, how many are left? Yes, of course. It's 3. So, the first part is 4 and the second part is 3. Now, we have 2 parts. Now, the next step is to make it 10. Now, 14 minus which part, grade 1? 3 or 4 to have 10? Yes, of course. 40 minus 4 equals 10. Great job, grade 1. And now the last step is to subtract from 10 to have the final answer. So 10 minus the left part of 7, which is a 3. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 14 minus 7 equals 7. Amazing. Great job, grade 1. So please, grade 1, be sure to write this answer on your book, page number 309. Now let's see the next page, page number 310. Let's see question number 7. Carly has 13 hats. She gives away 8 of them. How many hats does she have left? You can use this strategy grade 1. Make 10 to subtract. So to solve this problem, we have to subtract 8 from 13. So 13 minus 8 equals 5. Excellent, grade 1. Now let's see question number 8. There are 18 seahorses swimming in a group. 9 of the seahorses swim away. How many seahorses are still swimming in the group? What do you think, grade 1? Again, you can make 10 to subtract. Or you can use another strategy, like use double to subtract. So 18 minus 9, grade 1, equals what? Equals 9. Great job, grade 1. Now the next page is your homework, grade 1, page number 311 and page number 312. So please, grade 1, try to solve them by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. And the same for page number 312. Here they are. That's enough for today, grade 1. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.